Yan, yung ano, of course, sleep is very important,
Okay.
right?
Sa adult sleep, ano yung ilang oras ka dapat nag-sleep?
Probably 7 hours. So most, if you look at the population as a bell curve, most of them will stand like will need at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep,
Okay,
right?
6 to 8,
There'll be
yeah.
outliers na they would need 9 or 10 hours on the one end of the spectrum, and the other end of the spectrum they can survive on less than 6 hours.
Okay.
But most of us would fall 6 to 8 hours, and it should be good quality sleep.
Walang interruption or anything. Ano
Yeah.
yung mare-recommend mo para magkaroon tayo ng good quality sleep? Yung i-avoid nila na nandoon sa room nila?
Oo.
Ano yung mga mare-recommend mo
So
doon?
ang solution dyan is hindi yung mga medication.
Okay.
Di ba? Hindi yung sedative. You look at your habits around your sleep.
Okay.
Di ba? Kasi yung iba, wala nang ginawa ko naman ng TV hanggang matutulog na sila. Eh di siyempre na-activate na yung brain mo, kakanood. Tapos kung minsan mga very violent pa yung mga pinapanood, mga slasher
Nagising
movie.
ka na.
O kaya mga true crime.
Yeah. Mas lalo ka nagising, hindi ka na
Di ba?
nakatulog.
Tapos yung blue light, di ba? Very powerful yun. Yung melatonin natin bumabagsak pag na-expose tayo sa blue light. Di ba?
Okay.
So actually, in the evening time, we should assist our body to get used to the dark. So dapat na pinapatay mo na yung mga overhead lights. Puro mga side lights na lang. Yung mga ganyan. Puro ganyan na lang.
Okay.
Oo. Tapos, yung mga blinds dapat pag mga 6 p.m., i-ano mo na, i-close mo na siya because you want to assist your brain into producing more melatonin. Tapos, you don't eat within 3 hours before bedtime.
Okay.
If you eat very starchy foods, halimbawa, before bed, ang mangyayari, yung sugar mo, your blood sugar will rise while you're sleeping, and your heart rate will go up, your body temperature will go up, and you're more likely to wake up in the middle of the night with that. Right?
Okay.
Tapos, kuminsan kasi, yung ibang tao, very stressed, hindi na nire-resolve yung problem. Kuminsan nagpo-procrastinate, hindi nila ginagawa yung taxes nila, procrastinate. It's actually that stress, di ba? So most likely, yung mga taong to, yung cortisol levels nila umaakyat in the middle of the night, nagigising sila prematurely.
So yun yung mga kailangang i-avoid.
Oo, so if you want to take care of something that's stressing your brain, you take care of it. Di ba? Yung mga most difficult, yung most unpleasant task, gawin mo na.
Yeah.
Para hindi nag-accumulate as stress. Di ba?
Ano pa, Doc?
For sleep,
Yung sinabi niyo kanina yung phone din.
yung mga anything that emits electromagnetic waves.
Okay.